Guys, so we're here at the school. We talked about, I think, yesterday. It looks so weird. And we're here with the doggies, and they're over there playing. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, we're here. We're gonna stay here. Focus. And Carly is eating rice pudding.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
We just got home from work.
Yeah, she's gonna make me ocean again.
Oh, my princesses. My husband. Oh, they're so cute. Luna! Get it, Luna! Good girl, Luna! Oh, Lily, that's not nice. Oh, Luna, take it away. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, guys? Who's gonna win? Lily won. Luna, you losing? Oh no, rematch of bullies. Oh. Come. Oh, Lily won again.
Luna! Lily!
Lily! No barking, sweetheart. No barking. Hey, say bye, guys. Love you. No.
So we're playing monkey in the middle with them. Huh, I got it.
You want it?
Oh. Luna, you cheated, Luna, come back. No, come here. We're playing monkey in the middle, and Luna grabbed it out of my hands and tried to run with it.
Give it to Daddy. You gonna run to Daddy? Okay. Give it to Daddy.
You want it. You can't get it. You can't get it. Oh, look at Luna. Oh, she landed on. Oh shit, she landed on Lily. Okay.
Oh, you threw it like that.
I threw it, but the wind is coming my way. It's funny because they could both grab on and hang with it in midair. Is there poop there or something? Close up of the butthole. Oh, no, you don't get it. Luna, you want it? You want it? Get it. You gotta get it. Okay, fine. Go get it. She doesn't like to run.
She's doing the Luna now.
You want it?
You notice?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Look at her. She can like hold on to it. Come on, Lily, hold on to it. Oh, you're choking.
Okay, Mama. Oh,
You
they're
want
eating grass.
That's so dumb. Come on, Lily. Luna, you want it? You want to hold on to it? You want it? It's funny because they're just
Why you guys
Stop eating grass.
No, it's good. They like to use the belly. Ow! That hurt. It's sore from when you close the door on my face.
I did not, guys. I threw. It's a plastic door, right? And by plastic, I mean like less than an inch thick plastic. Yes, it is, babe. He bought it at Home Depot. He made it himself. It's like a plastic plexiglass door or whatever the heck it is. And he just bought a big sheet of it and put like a wooden frame around it, and that's the door. And I threw it open, and Carly, for whatever reason, saw it. I stepped out and she was coming out behind me. I pushed it open and she saw it coming back, and she didn't put her hands up, or she didn't try to stop it. She didn't move.
Enough.
She literally walked into the door as it closed and then said that it was my fault. So take that as you will.